Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Tuesday, July the 28th. Well, another candle with a very small body, and if we look very closely at this candle, we do have a new first time frame downtrend. We have a candle with a lower high and a lower low, which means that we have a change of trend to the downside. Now, some people might think that this is a hanging man pattern. That was the pattern that we identified yesterday. Not quite a perfect one, but still close to being a hanging man. And this pattern today, candle today, can't be a hanging man because we have a new first time frame downtrend. The hanging man was the previous day, and it's been confirmed. Now, the thing is, how confident are we of this first time frame downtrend continuing? Well, not terribly at the moment. If we look at the current candle, there's a very, very long shadow on the bottom of the body of the candle. And that just makes me wonder whether this market really wants to continue in this downtrend that it's now in. The long shadow means that there were buyers coming in. As the market tried to trade down, the buyers kept coming in, and this looks like a market that really doesn't want to retrace much of this trend. The market traded down below the previous low, but the bears weren't strong enough to close the market down there. So that's really saying something about the strength of the bulls and the bears. It means that the bears aren't strong enough to continue the market down past the low. They are lacking commitment. They lost the commitment that they showed throughout the day. The bulls, on the other hand, aren't showing any commitment now either. But on the day, they did close the market with some sort of control. They took control of this market. Now, the thing is, though, that we do have a downtrend, and we have to give credence to that. To be honest, I think the market now is very indecisive. I think we need to be very careful how the next few days play out. Obviously, the high of the current candle and the high of the previous candle become very important. If they're taken out tomorrow, then I think we will have a new first time frame uptrend, and this market looks that strong that it looks like it will do that. But we have to respect the fact that we did have a lower high and a lower low, so the low of the current candle becomes very important. If the low of the current candle is taken out, then we need to look to the Tenkan-sen for support, and the Tenkan-sen is at 954. So that's the first area that we should find support, and I think that if we do retrace that, we will find support there, and we should look for a buying signal around there. And we know that when the market builds up a lot of the short-term momentum, the Tenkan-sen acts as an area of support or resistance. And we can see from the angle of the Tenkan-sen that the market has a lot of momentum at the moment. Now, interestingly, though, looking at the Kijun-sen, the Kijun-sen has turned flat, and we know that when the Kijun-sen turns flat, it tends to be an attractor of price action. The flat turning Kijun-sen means that the market is moving into equilibrium, and we can see that by this small area of congestion, and we, in fact, as we noted earlier, did have a change of trend. So as we've said over the last few days, markets move from equilibrium to disequilibrium and back to equilibrium, and then the market will move to disequilibrium. And the disequilibrium periods are like our trending periods. The equilibrium periods are the pullbacks or the periods of congestion. And that's what we're likely to see at the moment. It's like that rubber band. It's been stretched a little bit too far, and it's bouncing back. So this flat Kijun-sen means that there is a very strong chance that the market will retrace part of this very strong upswing. So our first level of support is 954. Next level is 925 for the Kijun-sen, and then the top of the cloud, and that's roughly in the same area. It's roughly about 922, 923. So important for tomorrow's trading. The high and the lows of the current candle become very important to watch.